All right, Jamie, I just had a couple of quick questions. So I received your work, which says 8.3 third page. So I'm assuming that this was the worksheet that you were working off of. It might help me in the future, instead of saying third page, to just write like practice A, or like on the previous page, it says reteaching with practice. So at least I'm sure what you're working on. Because some of the answers match up and some don't. So I'm not sure if I'm looking at the wrong page or if there's just something you're doing wrong. So I just want to take a look at number 6, 7, and 8, first of all. So number 6 has, they want you to have the area formula base times height to find the area of the rectangle. Well, 7 is the base and 3 is the height. So all you have to do is multiply 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. And here your answer was 23. And again, remember that if it's an area, you're talking about squared units. So it really should have been 21 feet squared. On number 7, again, these are both in inches, so all you have to do is multiply 5 times 4 to get the area. 5 times 4 would be 20. So this would be 20. Again, if it's area, it should be inches squared. And on number 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So number 8 should have been 16. And again, that would be yards squared. So when you're finding the area, you're just going to go with this formula, which is base times height. A rectangle with a base of 9 meters and a height of 10 meters, again, base times height. That one there would be 90 meters squared. And on number 10, a rectangle with a base of 12 feet and a height of 4 feet, base times height would be 12 times 4. So that would be 48 feet squared. And then on the next ones, you actually did these nicely, except for one small thing, but it's really quite minor. It says give the area of a rectangle, and they want you to find the missing side length. So this you did really nicely, because you said 5, you said plus B, but this really should be 5 times B equals 35. But then you corrected it here. So you said 5B equals 35, B equals 7. Perfectly, 100% correct. Same thing here. This would be 6 times H. So really on both of these, you could just not do that very first step and go right here to 6H equals 48. And then H equals 8. Same thing here. Just skip that first step. 3B equals 24, B equals 8. And then on number 14, it said find the area of the rug. Well, the rug will just be this little kind of colored in section, and it tells you it's a square. So it would be 12 times 12. So this one would be 144 feet squared. And it said find the area of the dining room. Well, that would be 16, and that's 16. Again, if you don't know what 16 squared is, you can just go to your calculator and say 16 times 16, and you'll get 256. So this one here would be 256 feet squared. So make sure you understand those corrections, and if you have any questions, please let me know.